Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I want to ask a question. Do you keep a list of social channels for your campaigns that you're running online? So, if you're planning the social media marketing campaign, I find it's best if you keep a list of what's hot and what's not is not going to be on the list, okay? So, you can always find that you've got maybe 2 or 3 channels in social media. They're the hot potato, the ones that really work, get a lot of engagement, a lot of conversions, whatever. And having it be on, well, maybe a new one came out from Meta the other day, and gosh, we should add that to the list. Well, I don't think so. I think you should stick with what works, and that's that. Oh, and I forgot to mention, and you scroll down in the Google document, you'll see the link on YouTube if you want to watch this video. Maybe you just listen to it in the background while you're doing something else.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking. Hi, the reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. It's a wrap.